A for apple. B for bag. C for car. D for dog. E for elephant. F for fish. G for goat. H for hen. I for ice cream. J for jug. K for kite. L for leaf. M for moon. N for nest. O for orange. P for penguin. Q for queen. R for rabbit. S for strawberry. T for tiger. U for umbrella. V for van. W for wasp. X for Xmas. Y for yak. Z for zebra.